It's actually a pretty nice day as we walk out. It's 69 degrees up in Brooksville. I got 72 over in the Lakeland area, 76 in St. Pete, 74 in Sarasota. And by the end of this week, by Friday, which is Halloween, by the way, our high temperatures will be in the mid-70s. Not the lows, but the high temperatures. So we do have some big changes coming. Lower 80s over South Florida, unfortunately. I mean, just the warmth and the steaminess continues with that east to southeasterly wind, which we're going to take care of over the next couple of days. We got a weak front coming through today, a stronger front coming through on Wednesday, and look how that sets the stage for the humidity levels as they drop significantly Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today, don't be surprised. We get a quick little shower, maybe 30–40% chance. It's not going to be a big deal along the west coast. The east coast of our state, again, lion's share of the showers as they did yesterday as well. Then for tomorrow, pretty quiet day. Here comes your front. That's it on Wednesday. Very little rain associated with the front, but that northwest wind will come blasting in Wednesday night and just dragging down the humidity levels and the temperatures. So beginning Thursday, we're going to be in the 70s for several days in a row. Here's Melissa, Category 5 hurricane. It looks like now it's starting to what we call gain a little latitude. So it's kind of drifting its way, maybe west-northwest, and then it's going to turn to the north and then move right over the island of Jamaica. So Kingston, Jamaica, the capital's over here on the eastern side. And then for most of us, when you go to Jamaica, you're flying over here into the Montego Bay area and then Ocho Rios, and these areas are going to get hit very, very hard. Hurricane force winds go out only about 30 to 40 miles from the center of the storm. So they're going to need to be very close to the center to experience the strongest of the winds, which is fine, but you're also talking about 15 to 30 inches of rain, 10 to 14-foot storm surge in Jamaica. And, you know, here is a country that the last big storm they had was Gilbert in 1988, and that didn't really cause a storm surge because it came east to west across the country. This was coming in from the south, so all that water is going to get piled up along the south coast of Jamaica, plus they have mountainous terrain, unfortunately, which is going to be even more in the rainfall department for these folks. Well, once it rolls through, it's probably going to make landfall sometime very early tomorrow morning, 6, 7 o'clock. And then move through southeastern Cuba. Then you've got the Bahamas and you've got the Turks and the Caicos. And let's look at some of these wind gusts as well. The worst of it will get here overnight. Worst of it's overnight into Tuesday morning. Look at this shield of 100-mile-per-hour winds beginning to touch the coast 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then making its way off the northern part of the country maybe 12 to 18 hours later. So variable clouds for us, warm shower, quick little shower, 87 degrees for your high today. Some clouds mild tonight with a low of 71. Watch these high temperatures. This is what we've been waiting for, folks, and it comes in for perfect time for Halloween. As Halloween day, highs of 75, and you wake up Saturday morning and we'll be in the 50s for lows.